Hello friends, let's learn about multi-threading in Java. So friends, I do have one image here with, which describes the thread life cycle. So just go through this image for now. You will get more understanding about the multi-threading after practice on the code example which are we which we are going to see now. So let's see that code example now. Now friends, here I have one class with name thread illustration. Let's create another class here. Class name of the class I am taking TI implements runnable. Here runnable is the interface. Now I am taking variable I here with data type int. Now let's create one method here. Runnable interface implements the method run. So I am taking a run method here. Okay. Let's initialize variable I with 0. Let's take an while loop here. Let's give the condition while loop body, increment the loop, increment the operator I, and now first of all friends, now let's elaborate this code till the this I increment operator. What we have done, let's elaborate these steps what we have done before till the increment operator I plus plus. Okay, so friends, here imagine you have a factory with two machines means threads that need to produce 12 widgets each. Each machine represents a separate thread. Okay, so let's assume that here Ti class represents a worker at each machine. Ti class represents a worker at each machine. They are responsible. Each worker responsible for producing widgets means incrementing. We are incrementing I here. Okay, incrementing I here and documenting their work, which means printing the current status. Means each means printing the each iteration of variable I. Now let's talk about run method. So run method is like the daily tasks list for each worker, which describe what they need to do each day. Okay, here run method is the daily task list for each worker, which describe what they need to do each day, uh, which means producing widgets and document their progress. Okay, and here I represents the number of widgets produced by each worker. Now let's write the code to print the output. So sys out print and then thread dot current thread, select the method current thread dot select the method again get name, and here we have to write one message for getting the date thread, and let's call it pass away. Let's call that thread as pass away. Okay. Okay friends. So friends, what does this method is what this method is doing here? It's like each worker sorting out the number of widgets. Means each worker sorting out the number of widgets they have produced, and their name means thread name. Okay. So what is the working of this method? That each worker shouting out the number of widgets they are producing, and their name as well, which means the thread name. Okay. And here pass away message uh, signifies that the worker has completed their daily work. Okay. Pass away message here signifies that worker has completed their daily work. Okay. Now friends, let's go into main method and create an object for the class EI. Okay. So let's do that. EI class name, new EI constructor. Let's go into the left side. Again here class name and object name is obj. I am taking the object name as obj. Let's save the code. Now friends, let's see what we have done here. Now we are into main method, and let's think about that the main method is an our factory manager and assign tasks to the workers, is our threads, and we have created here a worker object. The name of the object is obj. Okay. Now let's continue. Now friends, let's continue. Here take thread e1 new thread and obj. Give the name of thread as thread 1. Okay. Now friends, let's see that what we have done here. We have created a machine named T1. Let's assume that this thread has machine, and name of the machine is T1, and we assigns the worker obj to it. Okay. We have assigned here obj worker. The name of the worker is obj, and the name of that machine is, we have labeled here thread 1. Okay. Now friends, similarly create another machine thread T2. Okay, thread obj, and here assigns the name of the machine as thread 2. Here we have assigned the machine name as thread 2. Okay friends, now let's save the code. Now friends, let's call the start method using the machine name T1 and T2. T1 dot start and T2 dot start. This T1 dot start and T2 dot start represents the turning on both machines, which allows the workers to start their task. T1 and T2 represents the turning on both machines, allowing the workers to start their task. Okay friends. Now friends, let's run our program and see the output. Now you can see that we do have an output, thread 1, thread 2. Friends, I have done here one mistake. Let's correct that. I missed to pass the I variable here. So let's pass that I plus space, okay, plus. Now after while loop, we have to again pass here one output code. We have to write code for friends. We have to write again one out to get output for dead threads here. So let's do that. Thread dot current thread dot get name, okay, plus the message for dead threads here. Pass the message for dead threads. I am passing message as pass away. Okay. Now let's save the code friends. Now friends, let's run our program. Now you can see that we do have an output. Here use space after I. Okay. Now run the code. Now friends, on each time when we run our code, we get a different output. On each runtime, we get different output. Okay. Let's run once time again. Now friends, you can see that thread 2 pass away and thread 1 pass away. So friends, what we have done here, if we compare this program to Practical word. The workers the worker threads work currently concurrently, which producing their own set of widgets, and when they are done, they pass away. Pass away means in the sense they leave the factory after completing their tasks. This example demonstrates the concept of multi-threading and parallel execution. Okay, friends. So this is all about the multi-threading example in Java. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you once again.